One of the hidden gems of Handshake is the Q&A section. The Q&A section is where you can ask questions and get answers from students just like you across the nation who are using Handshake. And you can ask questions about different job opportunities or what to expect with certain degrees or certain career paths. So to get to there, make sure that you go to uco.joinhandshake.com, and after you sign in, you'll be put here, which is your homepage. So go over to the Q&A section tab at the top and click on that, and you'll see that you are here at the Explore Questions and Answers page. On this first page here, you can see that there are plenty of questions that have already received some answers. You can scroll down and see the list of them and sort through there. You can see that there are 349 pages worth of questions that have received answers. If you don't want to look through each individual page, then use this filter option up here. So say you're interested in what remote work looks like. Then you can filter and get some questions and answers that might specifically look for what you're seeking. Otherwise, you can browse the trending topics that you can find over here on the right. Some recently asked questions are also here. Or if you're ready to ask your own question and see what other students have experienced, go ahead and click on that box there and submit your own question. This is a very helpful tool into just exploring career options and getting a feel for what to realistically expect from different jobs, different companies, or different career fields in general.